The New York mayoral race just got hotter. Zohran Mamdani, the Democratic nominee and Queen's Assembly member, is firing back after facing what he calls racist and baseless attacks just one day before early voting kicks off. Mamdani, who could become New York City's first Muslim mayor, he says that the attacks reveal a much bigger problem: Islamophobia that Muslims in New York deal with every single day. Now, let's dwell into deeper what exactly happened. Speaking outside a mosque, Mamdani told reporters something really controversial. Let me quote what he said. "I have tried to run as a candidate for every single New Yorker, not just as a Muslim. I want to represent everybody, no matter their skin color, religion, or where they are born." Well, he emphasized that being a Muslim in politics isn't a limitation. It is part of his identity and strength. He further said that "I will be a Muslim man every single day." Well, the controversy started after former governor Andrew, who lost to Mamdani in the June Democratic primary and is running as an independent, he made shocking remarks on radio show. Well, he seemed to agree with a conservative host's claim that Mamdani would somehow cheer if a terror attack happened while he was a mayor. Well, the comments sparked immediate backlash across the city, with critics calling them racist, fear a lot of negativity towards him, and dangerously misleading. After that, Mamdani, he didn't hold back. He called Andrew's comments false, hateful, saying that such rhetoric does not just attack him personally, it targets the entire Muslim community in New York. Here, experts say that these kind of attacks, they are part of a wider trend in the US politics, where Muslim candidates often face unfounded accusation linking them to terrorism despite decades of civic engagement and public service as well. Also, beyond defending himself, Mamdani also stressed his vision for the city. He's campaigning on housing, education and healthcare reforms, promising inclusive policies that benefit all the neighborhoods, from Queens to Brooklyn, everybody. While some pundits, they expected him to focus only on minority communities, Mamdani is making it very clear that his mission is universal, a city where every New Yorker feels represented. So basically, this isn't just about politics. It's about identity, representation, and the fight against Islamophobia, according to him. Mamdani's campaign has surged in recent weeks, with voters praising his courage in standing up against attacks while continuing to deliver a message of unity, a message of inclusion. The stakes are high. With early voting starting, New York City will soon decide whether they want a mayor who campaigns about diversity, inclusion, and honesty, or who really relies on fear and divisive rhetoric. Mamdani is betting on his values and on his ability to inspire a city that has long prided itself on being a home for all the faith and backgrounds.